The nature of reality may be interpreted differently based on various philosophical, spiritual, scientific, and personal viewpoints. However, the essence of it could be envisioned as an amalgamation of objective factual elements of existence and subjective interpretations fueled by human perception. On one hand, it is comprised of an empirical world that exists independent of individual consciousness and can be measured and observed empirically. On the other hand, reality also connotes a subjective dimension, reflected in our individual thoughts, emotions, experiences, and interpretations, a realm that only exists as perceived by the individual observer. Therefore, the nature of reality encompasses an external objective reality as well as an internal subjective reality, forming a complex weave of existential truth.